Hello!
Hello po.
Hi!
Good
Magandang
morning.
umaga. Oh, nasa Pilipinas po kayo?
Yes po.
Good morning. What's your name?
MM po.
Ano po?
MM po.
LLNNMM.
MM po.
MM. Dalawang M as in
Yes
mama
po.
mama.
Yes po, mama.
Mama mama. MM. Alright. Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ako. Kasi pinag-isipan ba to? Pinag-isipan naman siguro. Ano? MM.
Opo.
Unique naman. Anyways, ilang taon ka na po?
25 years old.
Ayan, naputol. Hello?
25 years old po.
25 na pa na. Wala yung ano ko dun. 25. And you're calling from?
Muntinlupa area lang po.
Muntinlupa. Okay.
Mhm.
Anong ginagawa mo sa buhay, ma'am?
Currently working at home. Mm.
VA ka?
Yes po.
So, may porsyento ka sa sweldo mo, ha? Ilang taon ka ng VAMM?
Starting pa lang po this year, after I quit working po sa hospital. So, I
bakit?
transitioned.
Ano ka ba dati?
Registered nurse po ako
RN
until
ka?
now. Yeah.
RN.
Yes po.
Okay. Ayaw mo na mag-practice?
Actually, gusto ko talaga. Pero, sinusundan ko lang ang salapi.
Sa bagay, ano?
Yes.
Mahirap talaga buhay ngayon, ano?
Yes po. Lalo na po sa mga healthcare workers, ang hirap na.
Totoo. Good luck po, ha? May anak na?
Yes po, thank you po. Wala po.
Single. Okay. Okay. Ano paglilingkod ko sa iyo?
So, since napag-usapan na po kasi natin yung about like my work before as a nurse, I would just like to ask lang po kasi like for any advices regarding kasi to sa family if ever and career. So, alam naman po natin, di ba, pagka healthcare worker, di ba, pagka nurse, di ba, ang end goal kasi ibang bansa talaga. So, syempre yung ako din, gusto ko din naman na makapag-ibang bansa. Syempre, para at least makapag-create din ng future career-wise, financial-wise, ganun. However, kasi, di ba, nakahanap na kasi ako ng opportunities, like, nahanap ko na lahat ng opportunities, nakalatad na lahat sa harap ko, pero ang nag-hold back na lang kasi sa akin ngayon is family. So I was going to ask if paano ko sila mako-convince na mapapayag ako na at least ito for future or career-wise, magawa ko man lang. For background lang po kasi, Papa Jack, laking lola po kasi ako. So, ako lang po talaga yung ako lang po yung kasama niya sa bahay. So, may naman po kami, may kasama pa po kami iba na nag-alaga talaga sa kanya habang nag-work ako. Pero, ako po yung inaasahan na family member na nasa kanya. Understandable naman po na parang ang gusto nila is may makasama yung lola ko sa house. Pero I was also thinking kasi po na 25 years old na ako. I know I'm still young, pero I'm not that young anymore. So I was asking them kasi, tinanong ko sila, if hindi po ngayon, bigyan niyo ko ng time, bigyan niyo ko ng
Sinong kausap mo dito?
Yung family members ko po, yung tito and tita ko na nagpaaral po sa akin.
Okay. So parang you're telling me na yun ang trade-off ng pagpapaaral sa'yo to look after your lola. Parang ganun lumalabas.
Yes. Parang ganun po yun lumalabas. And I understand that part naman po. And I'm also doing my part naman po. Ever since high school until nag-college, until nag-work ako, I've been with her naman. Kaming dalawa lang. But, naghiling naman ako na career-wise, financial-wise, sana mapagbigyan ako. Pero, ayun nga po, until ngayon, they said na i-hold off. Pero ang tanong ko kasi is, kailan ako pwede? Kailan ako pwede i-pursue yung mga opportunities? I mean, if not now, kailan pa? Pag 50 years old na ako, di na kaya ng likod ko mag-nurse sa ibang bansa. I don't think that's going to be like very, physical-wise, it's not applicable, di ba? Parang ganun po yung nasa isip ko. And let's say ano naman, kasi foreseeable naman talaga yung future. What if wala na si Lola? I know it sounds harsh, pero that's the foreseeable future. Paano pag wala na siya? Ano na mangyayari sa akin? Ano na yung future na mabibuild ko dapat when I'm already 40? Should I build it from there? Parang, para sa akin kasi parang that's, I know it's early, pero it's also kind of late for me. Na parang yung iba kong kakilala, they already have, may sarili na silang house, may sarili na silang car, they have their own family, they can do whatever they want with their life. I mean, parang walang restrictions at an early time. Parang para sa akin, parang restricted siya. And I just want them to convince na parang gusto ko din naman makabuo ng future ko at an early time as such. Kasi I understand na pagka kunyari, sabihin natin wala na si Lola, ano na mangyayari sa akin? Hindi naman na nila ako aanuhin eh. I mean, di na nila ako burden kasi matanda na ako. So, paano na yung dapat mabibuild ko ngayon? Nasa na? Like parang napakawalan ko na yung opportunity. And sometimes po, yung ibang agencies, for the nurses, they have like age restrictions as well. So I was thinking na parang mahirap na makapasok sa ibang bansa pagka may age restriction na. So yun lang po. Yeah.
Okay. Hey. What do you want to ask me?
Well, I just want to ask for an advice po if ang tawag nito. I want to understand also their perspective kasi as of the moment, parang, well, self-aware pero parang iniisip ko rin yung sarili ko. Pero if you could like make me understand siguro ko yung perspective din po nila.
No, I will not make you I will not make you understand. I will support your dreams to go offshore.
Ayun nga din po.
Andun ako. Wait, okay. I have sorry. It breaks my, honestly, kilala nyo na makalola, makamagulang ako. But I understand eh. Okay now, at what age, because you're 25 now, no? At what age did you plan to go abroad?
Actually, this year po, nung nag-25, 26 ako, Papa Jack, nag-book na ako for agencies. Actually, natanggap na ako ng ibang agencies. Actually, naka-line up na sila sa akin. But then, nung in-open up ko yun sa kanila, they said, no, hindi. Reject mo yan.
So, for a couple of years na, parang ganon, you have been holding it off, parang ganon.
Yes, kasi din Papa Jack, ang weird din kasi nun, kasi binigyan nila ako ng hope. They were asking, nung nag-graduate ako ng nurse, di ba nga, ang goal ng ibang nurse, US, ganyan, NCLEX, whatever. Tapos, nagtatanong sila sa akin, kailan ka mag-e-exam ng NCLEX, ganyan. Tapos, biglang nung nagkaroon ng opportunity, biglang hindi pala pwede.
Asan yung mga magulang mo ulit, MM?
Sorry, yung magulang ko, Papa Jack, yung dad ko, hindi ko kasi kilala. I'm half Japanese, so, yung dad ko, I don't know kung saan lupalop ng Japan. Yung mom ko nasa Japan din, pero with a different family. So parang ako yung naiwan here sa Philippines.
How's your communication with your mom?
My communication with my mom, not that good, pero not that bad either. So pagka, kunyari, gusto niya like makausap about si Lola, ganyan, nag-usap naman kami, pero we're not communicating every day or very close sa mom, not really, kasi hindi ako ganun
Kumbaga,
sa kanya.
hindi siya integral
Mm.
part ng existence mo. Parang gano'n.
No, parang wala talaga. Ang kinalala ko na talagang mom is yung lola ko. So, not really her.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Yun po kaya,
What country do you you're eyeing to go to?
first I going to US kasi maganda daw opportunities doon. So, I tried to go sa mga agencies. However, may retrogression kasi silang tinatawag.
Merong
so, yung
ano?
retrogression. Mm.
Ano yan, ma'am? Merong?
Retrogression. Retrogression po. So, ibig sabihin po, parang naka-line up pa po ko sa mga nurses na pwede nila pong ipadala. So, it's going to take me 3 to 4 years po bago nila ako mapadala doon. And sobrang tagal,
Okay.
you're going to say. Kasi baka madami pa akong maplano na mag-iba, ganun. So, I can't wait that long. Pero I was accepted po sa Germany 2 times, 2 agencies na.
Okay.
Pero yun nga po.
What do you want to ask me more?
If ever po, baka may ano pa na lang, baka paano ko na lang po siguro sila ma-convince if ever.
Well, sa part na yan, that's beyond my control, no? Kasi ikaw mas nakakilala sa kanila, ano? Ganito, ano? ano? And it pains me to even tell you this advice. Kasi naiintindihan ko eh. Your lola is old naman, no? Nagigets ko
Yes
yan.
po.
Ipagpalagay na natin na hindi lola ito at nanay. I would still give you the same advice. Siguro, you just have to logistically, kailangan mo lang to put your lola into a better, into a safer, care. Yung part na yan, kailangan mo i-adjust yun eh. Tama. But I'm not inclined and I don't have the appetite to tell you not to pursue your dreams. Alam mo yan, I like it when someone know exactly what they want to do with their lives. Gusto ko yan eh. 'Di ba? When we can tangibly imagine a life that we want to live. And I think nandoon ka eh. Tama na? You are so eager to go through the process of discovering what the world looks like and how you want to live a life exploring the world. I get that. Siguro proper communication with your titos, titas. But do you really have to go to where you wanna go?
Yes, I do. I really wanna go
Yeah.
there, Papa Jack.
Wala eh. Anong gagawin natin?
Na eh. Pero kasi I did try to convince din naman on my part. Siyempre, humingi din ako ng tulong sa nanay ko kasi mga kapatid niya yun. Like, please naman, kausapin mo yung kapatid mo kahit yun na lang yung tulong niya so far. Kahit sa buhay ko man lang. Pero wala pa din. Like, nasin lang niya ako sa messenger, whatever. Wala. Zero. So, parang naging hopeless ako for quite some time. Parang, ang hirap naman i-pitch in ng gusto ko. Kasi may restriction sila. So, parang, wala na bang tutulong sa akin sa pamilyang to?
Well, you are an adult, MM. No? You are 25 years old. It's a good thing pag may tumulong sa'yo. But I think you can very, very much hold your water, no? Yeah. It's not something that you have to require para makuha mo ang gusto mo. Ano lang to eh, alam mo, ang hirap lang kasi nito kasi pagka nagkamali ka kasi ng latag sa mga tito-tita mo at saka sa lola mo, masasabihan ka ng walang utang na loob eh.
Yun nga po yung yun
ang kaya ko pa iniisip eh. So that part, ikaw yung kailangang, communication is the best route to go. Proper communication is the best route to go about this one eh.
Yes po.
Yun talaga yun eh. But you really
Pero mahirap.
Yes po ma'am, go ahead.
Mahirap din kasi makipag-communicate sa kanila, Papa. Parang kasing personally as growing up, parang hindi ko kasi feel na parang syempre parang Filipino culture, parang nag-invest ako dito, dapat may babalik yan. So parang at some point na feeling ko parang hindi ako family.
Well,
Ganun.
hindi naman siguro, ma'am.
Yeah.
Wag naman. Wag mo naman isipin. Isa ka pa. Asan ba yung Hindi naman. Pinaaral ka naman nila. Hindi naman siguro. Diba? I mean, natapos mo naman yung nursing mo. Ikaw din, ano ka rin eh. Hindi naman siguro. Diba? Oo. Kasi, hindi mo magpatapos ng nursing.
Opo.
So,
Yes.
I do not believe that you are being treated as an investment. I don't think that. No. Oo. Siguro, they are just expecting more from you. Yun lang siguro yun. Yun lang yun. No? Well, communication lang po talaga ito, if anything. But, kung tinatanong mo ako, Papa Jackson, okay lang bang iporso ko yung dream ko? By all means, ma'am.
Kasi yun nga lang, may restrictions na.
Yun lang talaga yun. By all means, please, no? Oo. I think kung sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig sa akin, if you are on contrary sa pinayo ko, maybe I'm the wrong person na tinanong ni MM, kasi I like when people want to see the world and pursue a dream. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao may tangible dreams eh. Hindi lahat Not everyone.
Yes po.
Yes. Yun lang, no? Kailangan mo talagang mag-ano sa lola mo. Kanina, no, you said something, no, na, you know, when you said, in a foreseeable future, mawawala si lola. Tama?
Yes po.
Okay. Ang talino mo sa part na yun. It might have meant, it might have dawned to some people na ang heartless, but no. That is a reality.
Yes po.
That is a reality. Realidad ng buhay yan eh. No one is escaping this world alive. Even you. In a foreseeable future, wala ka sa mundo. What else do you want to ask me?
Well, so far, siguro, na lang, share ko lang kasi parang sobrang na-down talaga ako kasi parang dead end lahat ng plano ko sa buhay, career-wise. Sobrang dead end niya. Like, saan ako going from here?
Well, MM, you are 25 years old.
Yes.
Okay. And that says a lot, no? I mean, wag kang gaano magmadali.
Yes po.
But yes, I agree with you that whatever decisions you're going to make today at the age of 25 is going to affect what you're going to do in the next 20 years of your life.
Yes din po. Yun po yung iniisip ko.
There you go. So I guess since you know exactly what you want to do, go ahead. Chase it. Chase your dreams. Please chase your dreams. Yun lang siguro na have a proper, kumbaga, itawid mo na maayos ang paliwanag sa lola mo at sa mga tito-tita mo.
Yes po. I'll try my best.
You don't try your best. You do your best.
Yes
But
po.
stand your ground. Okay?
Thank you po. Yes po. Thank you po for listening. Thank you po.
Well, kailangan matapos itong usapan natin with you hearing me that we wish you all the best in life.
Thank you po.
Diba? I hope, MM, that you see the world as you intend to see the world. I hope that you explore all opportunities that the universe is willing to throw your way.
Yes po.
Diba? I wish that you get to see places, achieve your dreams, and soar as high as you can.
I also pray for that po, Papa Jack. Yes po.
Mag-ingat ka at maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat din po.
Bye-bye.